What? No,
It's
stop.
time.
No. Stop for what?
The David. It's arrived. And this boy. Sneeze?
Ah, it's gracious.
Wow.
Well, that was good.
Yeah. Come on.
First step, we gotta get those upstairs.
All right. Get to it.
Me? What about you? This video doesn't seem very heavy to me. So step number 1. Get it up the stairs, which should be fairly easy.
Yeah, you got it. Good job, Bubba. Whoa, 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 what's this boy doing? He's tipping it.
Right.
Whoa, 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 don't take it out yet. We gotta get the other box.
That's fine. We can just take it out. This is a day bed. Oh, it's kind of nice. None of our furniture is pet or child proof.
Or friendly.
It all is easily marred.
Which is why we have no children and or pets.
Furniture first, life second.
No.
Oh, wasn't there? Why is the mirror in the way?
I don't know, why are you in the way of the mirror? Let's get the other half before you start looking at this. This is just the ends.
Why are you zooming?
Because it's not a problem. Oh, perfect. Oh, then it's gonna rip my shirt.
All right, Esther, initial review.
It's a good height, color.
That's what I was gonna say. What about the color? What about those little metal things?
I like them.
No, they're good. No, I like them. I was just wondering. Yeah? Like those shoes?
Yes. And my desk and the shelf that the shoes are on.
Alright.
In that case, I'll get the drink.
The little tall.
I don't think this is a good idea.
No.
Why don't I just help?
No. It's really honestly not that heavy. I was just trying to turn so it wouldn't hit the wall.
Careful.
The string is attached to the hardware pack. Included inside a visible confirmation.
Silica. Oh. What did you say? Ooh, cute. Yeah.
She's gonna break it.
Yay. Okay, got it.
Good job, love. Detailed review.
Looks perfect.
There's a little bubble up over here of fabric. I'm not sure about that. It's already lost a couple stars in my book. No, I'm just- Whoa, it's about to hit in the roof.
In good shape.
Okay.
Ow, my toe. Not probably the worst instructions ever because nothing I get has good instructions.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, step 1. Attach the angle iron L to the front back rail D using bolt F, lock washer I, and flat washer J. Tighten with Allen key M. And that is step 1.
Alright.
Alright, all the pieces are out. Now we need the parts.
Yes.
Perfect, don't dent my desk.
Yeah, that's probably a bad idea to do it on here.
I just organized this
Oh, nice.
and this drawer for makeup. those other two drawers that we've just sorted, but that's for another day. My voice. What do we got? M, F, I, J, D. So, here's step 1. There we go. Oh! Paper cut my toes.
Touch the angle L, and I goes on.
Good.
And the angle, both are the same, and the angle going out like this. I'm dying.
What you doing? Did you say I'm fine?
No, I said I'm dying, actually.
Oh.
The exact opposite of I'm
I thought
fine.
you were dropping everything and said I'm fine. Can't see why you angle it up so high. The window's gonna ruin it.
So we're trying to see which one of these look the best, because one faces forward and one faces the wall. So what'd you say about the
That
staple?
has a tag on, but this has a staple sticking out.
I'm thinking this one towards the front.
With a tag on the front.
Well, do you see the tag?
We already have the mattress for it in the other room.
Sure.
But I need to get a new sheet for the mattress. To get some curtains, ottoman, puff, circle thing for the middle of the room. And then I'm gonna get a tray from, I don't know what they're called. Like the tray with it, little edges, and then you can put like magazines and stuff in it. Alright. Almost done with the frame. Good night.
So we basically finished it. Come show it to them.
Ta-da!
There it is. We're just gonna put a bed on it.
Here we go!
Hey, phone call.
What?
Hey, a phone call.
Okay, well.
Bruh.
We are coming to your door.
Oh, the front door?
Yes.
Alright, thanks. Dude, that's nuts.
Quick, grab onto this.
Oh, grab on. Put on the bed. Oh. Yeah, but just put the camera.
Hello? Alright. Hello, friends. So, George is teaching downstairs, so you're probably going to hear that in the background. And I decided while he's working, I'm going to make a Mother's Day card. So the plan is I have these cute little wreaths, probably going to use this one, and put one of these cute little matching bows on it. I was thinking this top one, but now that I'm looking at it, this one will probably go better. Plan is, I kind of started making it already and then took it apart so I'll put that on there. I have this little template out of the marble. I'm gonna put that and have that on the front of the card. Right. Or a straight edge. I think I like it on the straight side more. And then I have this 3D kind of tape so that it sits off the card a little bit, because that always makes it look cute. And then I'm just gonna go around this so that she can take that off, because that's a little, what do they call it, paper clip? So I'm just gonna do that. Probably don't even need to put one on the bottom, because it doesn't need to be that secure, but looks kind of even. All right, on another one of these little, like, picture sized, that's a little much. I'm probably gonna write on this part above and below this, so I'll probably want a plain background that I can write on, and it'll be seen. So let's see what we got here. All right, well, probably gonna need a plain piece if I'm gonna write on it. So let's take a look in here and see what we can find. That's pretty cute. Maybe that one. Alright, so I'm actually going to use a plain piece for the main card, just so the writing and this is the focal point and it's not too distracting. So I'm going to get the paper cutter and cut that out real quick. Alright, I'm thinking that's a good size. And now to think of what I want to write on the front. Alright, so the inside is done. And I'm just adding these little strips of pearls to the outside. Alright, so I've decided the pearls make it look complete enough, and my writing is horrible, so I'm gonna leave the front blank. It says Happy Mother's Day inside, so it's fine, and I like how it looks without the writing, so that's complete. And then I just added little flowers on the inside. There's the writing, and I think it's done.
So.
Got a chicken.
Okay.
We're going to rip up the chicken.
Oh.
I forgot to take the string off. Oh, ooh. I just flung some somewhere. That's okay. And just no explanation of what we're doing. Just write it down. I'm ripping this chicken up. Going to make
That is looking.
chicken pot pie without the pie part, just the insides, and then we have biscuits.
Why are we doing this?
We're gonna meal prep for a couple days, 3 days at a time, and then in the middle of the week I'll do it again, something else.
Good.
For the next 3 days. So that we have stuff prepared, good stuff, so that we don't go eat out.
Yeah.
Because it's quick and convenient. I just continually zooming in and out.
What about some of our other plans, love? This is all part of a master plan.
I got a planning app. Trying to get our life scheduled because we've just been, well, mostly me has just been vibing. So we've been doing our walks pretty well, but when we started them, our plan was to always do 8 a.m. walks, which we've only done not that many times, but we've been taking walks just later in the day. But it's best to take them in the morning because it's not hot. So yeah, we're trying to do that. We have not succeeded the last week, but the week before we did pretty good. I've been doing some extra exercise stuff. We're supposed to shred this too, so I guess I should rip it up while I'm here, so we don't have to do it after. So yeah, we're doing that. We're trying to, what else are we trying to do? Get our paintings more scheduled out. And now we're looking at pizza apparently. Yeah, some new stuff like that painting on the wall. Want to do some more of those.
Just more styles.
Yeah. Keep it fun, keep it interesting. Ugh. Oh, we got some jump ropes too. We've been doing some jumping, which is fun. Flip that bad boy over, rip off these. It's not really. Ew.
Just trying to structure our time and days a little better.
Alright.
The rotisserie chicken is a good thing because it's already cooked, so then whenever you put it in, it's already done
Time quicker.
a lot quicker. So if you use it all quickly, because you're gonna put all this in the pot pie, right? In the pot pie stuff, or at least most of it.
Yeah.
Half of it,
so.
more than half of it.
The butter. Bingo. Yas. Alright. Get rid of that. Probably could have used that. Whatever. We got our chicken. We got our cream of chicken soup. We got milk, butter. We need the vegetables, veggies. I think it's 2 cups of those. Getting all the ingredients prepped before we start. Alright. Whoa. Okay. Looks about right. Put those bad boys back in the freezer. Yas. Yas. Eat some of this chicken. I just love plain chicken if it's a rotisserie. So, should I measure out 2 cups or should I just eyeball it for the chicken?
I don't know. What do you think? You're cooking it. We're gonna eat all of it, so.
I mean, oh, I touched my mouth there. I'm using my 2-cup measure. So, I guess pour the vegetables into something else and then let them in.
Put them in the pot that they're going in.
You're right, that's the first thing that's going. Okay. Big brain thoughts. We're gonna turn that bad boy on. Yes, that's the right one. What was it supposed to be on? High? Probably not. Let's take a look-see. Medium heat. Yay! Medium. Good, good, good. Big brain. They had 2 different measurements of butter. The butter's going inside. We don't know. We don't read through recipes before we make them. That is
Who's we?
Simps. Me.
Simps.
That's already melted. Yeah. Those bad boys in. Oh, that's not that much at all. That's 2 cups.
Pack it down.
We gonna put extra, kids. Smush, smush, smush. The whole pitcher.
There you go. That's good. That's good.
We'll eat the rest. Okay. Bring these over here.
Oh yes, this drawer. Love this drawer.
Okay, there's like
Spoon.
not organizers for those big of things, so you just gotta yass them all in there. Okay, so we have to wait 10 minutes.
Les gens ont les oppas, les filles ont les thés.
Alright, 10 hours later. Alright, been 10-ish
Hours.
minutes. Now we add the soup. I don't want to get a spatula. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. Oh!
Oh yes, I love this drawer.
Yes,
This is my favorite drawer.
Bingo.
Oh, it says joy on it. Oh, it was more than that.
We need
Oh.
like some dividers for it.
Oh!
And we toss the milk in. Now we stir that puppy up. I guess I could have
You didn't
shredded
shred the chicken.
So I'm trying to like shred it without touching the bottom. Alright, so now I put them in these little tubs for prep. So there should be 2 servings in each one, so that we can just heat up one for dinner for the next 3 days. And then I'll just make the biscuits when we have it, so they're fresh. And then for like lunch and stuff, I don't have stuff to prep because we'll just do like sandwiches or like lettuce wrap sandwich things. So that should be good for the next couple days.
What we got, love? So this is my first meal of the day because why?
Because it's 12 o'clock. So you don't eat past 8 and you don't eat until
Until
12.
yes.